Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Abdullah channel. Today in our channel we are going to see how to fold clothes in easy technique. So this is very useful while traveling and to organize our cupboard. It's very useful. Now for a shirt, just fold the shirt inwards ½ inch or 1 inch depending on the size of the shirt. I have folded here ½ inch inwards. After folding it like this, now just fold it half from the front side, half from right and half from left, and make it half like this. Now start rolling from top to bottom, and when you roll you can see the opening arising over here. You have to pull the opening inwards and you will get the shirt into a bun or a roll. It is very easy and it's very easy to take while traveling and even to store in the wardrobe. Now another same like that to prepare the bun. Another method is just fold the cloth outwards 1 inch like this. See, completely outside like this, and then the same way and start folding. You will get the opening and just pull it out the same way. Whichever method you feel is easy for you, you can do the same way. Now for pant, again we have two method. Fold the pant into half. Not only for jeans, it is for leggings, everything you can use it. Now the top of the pant, just fold it like a V shape. Now what you're going to do is you have to start rolling from the top to the bottom, completely till the bottom. And now you can see the rest of the jeans left over in the top. What you have to do is let your hand inside the jeans and hold the full part like this. You have to hold and pull the jeans downwards. Now you can see it is into a roll. It is very easy to store, and jeans is stored in a very small place right now. Now the other method is actually from the top, just fold it like this, like outer. Fold it outer in 1 inch, because since the jeans will be thicker, you have to pull it out ½ inch or 1 inch, and then from the lower part, fold it into half and roll from the bottom to the top, and you get the opening and just pull it. This method can be used for trousers and stuff like that. Now for socks, just keep one socks over the other socks and start rolling it, and you will get the opening and just pull the opening out. Now for underwears, what we can do is from the top start rolling till 3 or 4 rolls, and then turn it to the back, and from the right and left fold it to the half center, and then just let the leftover piece be hold and start rolling the bun like this. When you start rolling the other side, automatically it will become like this. It's very easy to store. Now for the joint dresses, what you can do is for the set dress, the same way how I showed for the shirt, the same way, but over here the trouser should be placed in the center, and you have to fold it the same way and start rolling. For thicker dresses, maybe it won't be that easy to fold, so you can fold them separately and keep. For thinner dresses, cotton dresses, it is very easy to fold. Now for long towels, just fold it first into half and make it short, and then the same method you have to use. Fold it halfway inwards and then start rolling it from the top and pull the opening out. Now this you can use it for blankets, for bed sheets and stuff. The same way you can roll it and keep it inside. Now for the shirt, the same procedure. For men's shirt, lady shirt, t-shirt, everything has the same method. You can fold all the cloths in the same way. Jeans pant, the same way. However the size of the jeans pant is, it is going to be the same. Very easy to pack while traveling. You can store a lot of clothes in a baggage. It is very easy. And whenever sometime if we go to our relative house, we have to take clothes to stay for 2 days in our mom's house or parents' house, uncle, aunt's house, we have to take clothes, and sometimes we won't be able to find out the clothes properly in an urgent or emergency. At the time we'll be, when we take one of the pair of the clothes out, the rest of the things will be destroyed, and again we have to fold them. If you roll it into a buns and take, it's very easy. You can just take one cloth out and the rest of the clothes will be staying in a bun. No disturbance. It's very easy to travel. Even to store in the wardrobe, it will be very neat and clean. I hope so you enjoyed this video, and hope so this video was useful for you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.